the last thing we're going to do is create a new solid. So Control Y or Command Y on a Mac. Then make sure that your solid is the comp size. We'll click OK and we'll add an effect. This time we'll apply the effect Generate Write-On. If we apply the write-on currently, it's only going to paint a white stroke on our gray solid. We won't be able to see the moon and the earth below. Instead, what we want to do is make sure that our paint style is on transparent. This way, all of the paint strokes of our effect will be created on a transparent layer, allowing us to see the other layers below it. By animating the brush position over time, After Effects will create a line based on where the brush position is. Rather than animating each position by hand, I'll type U on the keyboard to see my brush position. Then I'll turn off all of the keyframes by clicking on the stopwatch. I'll use Alt or Option key on a Mac, then click on the stopwatch to create the expression. I want to link the brush's position to the moon's position. So I'll click OK for now, then select the moon's layer, then type P to reveal the moon's position. If I link the position of the brush to the position of the moon and use Enter on the number pad, After Effects does create an expression for the effect that uses the values for the moon's position. However, this doesn't take into account the moon being parented to the earth. So while the values are correct, the values aren't offset by the parenting. In order to correct this, we'll use an expression that is contained in the PDF. We'll use Alt-Tab or Command-Tab to get back to our PDF, then navigate to the next page. Here we can see Michael Natkin's expression, track a child. Again, we're just going to simply copy using Control-C or Command-C on your Mac, then go back to After Effects. We can use Alt-Tab or Command-Tab on the Mac to get back to the program. Next, we'll change the expression here for the position of the brush and paste in our new expression from the PDF using Control-V or Command-V on the Mac. We'll open this up to see what the expression looks like. By default, it looks good, but if we hit Enter at this point, After Effects will give us an error saying that it can't find a layer named Child. Now, it is possible that you have a layer named Child in your composition, but that might not be the layer that you actually want to use. We'll click OK to get rid of this warning, then take a look at our expression. Here, the expression is looking to link to something in this comp, a layer named Child. What this is referring to is the child of the parent. The child of our parent is the moon, and we want to make sure that the moon is the layer referred to. So rather than using the word child, we'll type in the name of the layer, which is moon. Now we can see that the brush stroke is following the position of the moon and is being offset by the parent as well. A quick RAM preview by pressing 0 on the number pad again gives us an idea of what this looks like.